What legacy are you going to leave behind? Is it tangible and material, or imperishable and eternal? The choice is yours to make for the next generation's sake. It's our prayer that all of us will live a godly life in order to leave a godly legacy to the next generation. Compared to the grace of the Father who loved us first, boundless mercy for all who believe.
Without God, life or marriage is a messy. Why? Because we have the tendency to look at ourselves and highlight or magnify the mistakes of our spouses. But the truth is, if we will make God as the center of our relationship, the closer we get to God, the closer we are to one another. Sometimes we focus on our spouse that we forget God, and still life is a mess. Our main goal in life is what, Heart? What should be our main goal? Diba? Yes, it is to get closer to God, and that way you will be closer to your spouse.
Fix the vertical relationship first, diba? Yung relationship natin with God, which is a sin problem, and then the horizontal relationship, our relationship with our spouse, will follow.
Resolving disputes shall take priority over your religious rituals. Sabi niya dito, di ba? There, puntahan mo muna yung spouse mo. So Christ doesn't want your sacrifice or offering. What matters to God is your relationship. He wants you to reconcile. So it is always more rewarding to resolve the conflict than a dissolved relationship.
Stands for bold love. You know, we must really show unconditional love towards our spouse. Whether you are the husband or the wife, it is founded on Jesus Christ. He is at the center of our marriage, and therefore, foundation-wise, love will definitely emanate from our own hearts towards our spouse.
We did not take our away from God, because God deserves the glory, the praise,